Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking at the 2026 Range Rover Sedan. Yes, you heard that right. For the first time in its storied history, Range Rover is stepping out of its SUV comfort zone and entering the luxury sedan market. And let me tell you, they're not holding back. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan is Land Rover's boldest move yet. Traditionally known for crafting some of the world's most capable and luxurious SUVs, the brand is now setting its sights on rivals like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8. But this isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a Range Rover through and through, elegant, powerful, and unapologetically distinctive. Let's talk design. At first glance, the Range Rover Sedan captures your attention with its clean lines and commanding stance. The silhouette is sleek and refined, maintaining the brand's minimalist design language but with a fresh, sporty twist. A long, sculpted hood, a bold front grille, and signature LED lighting give it an unmistakable presence. The flush door handles and subtle Range Rover badging remind you that this car is still a part of the elite SUV lineage. Under the hood, the Range Rover Sedan offers multiple powertrains, including a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 for those who crave performance, and a plug-in hybrid variant for the eco-conscious driver. Rumors even suggest a fully electric version will follow soon after launch, aligning with Land Rover's goal of becoming an all-electric brand by 2036. Whichever option you choose, performance will be smooth, powerful, and refined, exactly what you'd expect from a car bearing the Range Rover name. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that redefines British luxury. Premium materials like Windsor leather, real wood veneers, and aluminum trim pieces are used throughout. The seats are more than just comfortably, they're a statement. Massage functions, reclining capabilities, and climate control settings are available for all passengers, not just those in the front. The tech game is strong, too. A massive curved touchscreen, voice-controlled infotainment, wireless connectivity, and a state-of-the-art Meridian sound system turn every ride into a first-class experience. But where this car really shines is in the ride quality. Engineers have equipped it with adaptive air suspension, active noise cancellation, and even rear-wheel steering for tighter turns. It glides over rough roads and hugs corners with confidence, blurring the line between comfort and agility. Even though it's a sedan, Range Rover hasn't forgotten its roots. I expect some off-road capabilities, just dialed back for urban sophistication. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but early estimates put the starting price around $120,000, placing it squarely in the ultra-luxury category. It's not for everyone, but then again, it's not supposed to be. This is for those who want the comfort of a luxury sedan with the soul of a Range Rover. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan isn't just a new model, it's a bold new chapter. And we can't wait to see how it shakes up the luxury car world. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the cars that move the world.